Welcome to Commerce class, Chapter 3, Planning. Any economic activity done with the aim of earning profit is known as business. Business enterprise has to collect various information. Analyze on it is very important. What we want to achieve in future and how. For this, various alternatives are to be considered, and from those the best alternative is to be selected. All the past matters are to be considered and the future activity of the business is to be decided. Thus, planning is forecasting the future in present. Planning is a universal process. According to Bill Gates, task of planning is choosing. George R. Terry, he says, function of planning means assumption for results, policy to follow function, stages, and to decide the method to be followed. In other words, planning is an intellectual process. Characteristics of planning. Universal process. Planning is a universal process. It is present everywhere. Likewise in politics, social, religious fields, etc. Planning is inevitable. Same way in business also, planning is required at all the levels of management. Second, primary function. Planning is said to be the primary function of management. There are many functions in management. Management starts with planning. All the other functions such as organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, etc. are dependent on planning. Conscious and mental process. Planning is a conscious and a mental process. In planning, we require both mental and physical work to be undertaken. Planning requires decision making. It is more of a mental activity. Thus, planning is said to be a conscious and mental process. Fourth, flexibility. The main base of planning is calculation and assumption. There are many internal and external factors affecting the business. As per the situation, the management should make necessary changes in planning. Flexibility is the precondition of planning. Planning is not a static element. Precise. Planning is a future-oriented activity. The various matters included in planning are to be studied exactly. All the necessary information and data collected should be perfect because success of any plan depends on the preciseness of the collected data. Sixth, forecasting is essential. Forecasting means to predict. Forecasting is done by considering future uncertainties. Forecasting and planning are to be considered as the first steps of management. 7. List of alternatives. Planning is required in all fields. Planning in any field includes various plans and alternatives. Example, the company wants to increase sale. There are many ways to increase sales such as advertisement, promotion, discount, training to salesmen, declaring offers, giving discounts, etc. Now in planning, we need to select the best alternatives from the available ones. 8th, concern with future. Planning presumes uncertainties involved in future forecasting and assumptions are done later. In other words, planning is a future-oriented activity. Past data are collected in present and the future working of the business unit is decided in advance. Thus, planning is concerned with future. 9th, continuous process. Planning is a continuous process. It is a perennial process. Planning is an activity that starts from the first day of deciding objective. It will last till the existence of the business. Thus, planning is said to be a continuous process. 10th, objective-oriented activity. Planning is a process that is undertaken so that the objective can be achieved. Management decides future targets as per objective. Accomplishment of objective becomes easy if the targets are pragmatic. 11. Require decision process. Planning means choosing from list of alternatives. The best alternatives are to be selected. Various alternatives are considered and best one is to be selected. All the plans are the best ones, but as per the situation we need to select any one among the alternatives. Thus, planning is a decision process. So from these points we conclude, from the above understanding of planning we can see the silent features. All these characteristics make planning very important and unavoidable for any business unit. Thank you, students.